Welcome to our channel Blender Tips. In this tutorial, we shall learn that how we can create a flag with using image texture, which is also blowing in the direction of the wind force. So let's start our video. When we open the Blender, we have a default view. Select Alt to delete. Press Shift A to add a plane. Scale it. Then press Shift A to add a cylinder. Make it shade smooth. Press S, Z, scale it along Z axis. Also small SZ, scale it along Z axis. Okay. Press G, move it along Z axis. Nice. Beautiful. Again press Shift A to add a plane. Rotate it along x-axis. Press R, X, 90 degree. Press 1 into the front view. Scale it and also scale along z-axis. Nice. Beautiful. Now enter into the edit mode by pressing tab. Divide this plane up to 14 number of cuts. Nice. Hide the plane and pole because we can easily see the flag. Okay. Enter into the edit mode, into the tab selection. Select all these faces to make a vertex groups and assign. Nice. Alt H to unhide all the object in the view. Now we assign cloth properties to this flag. Enter into the physics properties. From here I choose cloth and the cloth type I choose silk. Also make cloth shade smooth. Scroll down. From shape I select the vertex group which I just created, and then collision I select self collision. Nice. Now run the simulation and check the result. Beautiful. Now I add a image texture to this plane. For this, I enter into the material properties. From here, select a new material, and from base color, I choose image texture, and in open I have an flag for imaging. Nice. We cannot see the image texture in solid view. To see the image texture, we enter into the material view. Nice. Beautiful. I also add a wind force which blow the flag into this direction. Press Shift A, field force, and select wind force. Nice. Press G here and R to rotate. Okay. And also increase the strength of this wind force, say 10,000. Nice. Also scale it. Beautiful. Now run the simulation and check the result. Beautiful. The strength of the wind is too much high. We reduce the value to 5,000. Nice. In this way, we can make a flag which is blowing into the directions of the wind. Thank you for watching.